Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Cancer, your person current feelings and actions. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 11th to June 20th. So let's see your person current feelings Cancer. Okay, let's see. Judgment, 4 of Cups, 8 of Swords. I think someone in this connection already made decision. Judgment is here, 4 of Cups and 8 of Swords. I think your person right now stuck. He is thinking about you, but he is not taking any action because he is stuck. Your person is stuck, and they also feel like depressed for the missed opportunity because they miss this cup of love which is offered by you. Judgment is here. I think for some there is a chance for reconciliation. I think one person in this connection made judgment. So what decision you made, you knows. So for some definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. They are feeling very sad in this time. They are stuck also because in past they don't offer the cup of love offered by you, but now they are feeling regret. So near future actions, 9 of Pentacles. Lot of cards, but I am not. So let's see. 2 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. See here, your person is stuck. There is no doubt. Because 9 of Pentacles, I think your person for some time he don't want to make any move towards you because they are juggling between you or their finance and career, whatever they are juggling, and they are not expressing their feelings. They decided, I think that is the judgment. They want this connection, but they want time also because they are in juggling right now, and 4 of Pentacles not expressing their feelings to you. They are stuck due to their family reasons, whatever the reasons, they are stuck. So let's pull some cards from universe. 5 of Pentacles here, 5 of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Lord of Earth energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. The Hierophant is here. Fire energy also. It could be any sin, but particularly I am saying based on this cards. There is separation. 5 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands. There is some disputes in past, or separation is going. Hierophant and Queen of Pentacles. Hierophant is commitment, marriage offer. It will come to you. Your person want this connection, but they want time because they are not expressing their feelings. Queen of Pentacles, I think it is your person right now holding their heart, because Queen of Pentacles is also like that. 4 of Pentacles, they are not to this time. They are not off. They don't want to offer. They are taking time. When they are healed, when the juggling is completed, they will come towards you definitely because they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity. So Hierophant, yes, commitment is coming, but it will take time. Patience and balance is needed in this connection. So this is the reading for you Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.